हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो डिक्टेशन आज हम करते हैं लीगल पैसेज की स्टार्ट। जस्टिस यहया अफरीदी on Thursday observed that the Supreme Court was always careful in exercising its advisory jurisdiction and suo motu powers since no appellate forum was provided against its determination. Besides, such proceedings were also not adversarial. Under similar question over the Hisba bill, the Supreme Court has already held that the opinion of the court on a question referred to it under its advisory jurisdiction is binding, said Justice Afridi, a member of the five-judge apex court bench. Para. Headed by Chief Justice of Pakistan Gulzar Ahmad, the bench was hearing a presidential reference through which President Dr. Arif Alvi has sought explanation whether the condition of secret ballot under Article 226 of the Constitution applies to Senate elections or not. Attorney General for Pakistan Khalid Javed Khan argued that the apex court never decided political questions and that was the reason why it asked Parliament to move a resolution regarding acceptance of Bangladesh. But the Supreme Court had always come up with robust views on conflicting issues, the Attorney General said, and posed a counter question by asking, would the apex court allow somebody if he claimed himself to be a Khalifa and imposed a caliphate rule in the country? Para. There was a tough war in 1993 between the then president and the prime minister, and though the president had the authority to dissolve the National Assembly, the Supreme Court restored the assembly with an observation that if there was a political war between the two, then they should fight it out somewhere else, recalled the Attorney General of Pakistan. Para. The AGP said that the President had referred the matter to the Supreme Court since it was not the job of the Parliament to interrupt the Constitution, though it could amend it. This is the exclusive prerogative of the Supreme Court, the AGP emphasized, saying the US Supreme Court had also decided the famous George Bush versus Al Gore case, though it did not have the advisory jurisdiction. At this, Justice Ilja ul Ahsan observed that the government was asking the Supreme Court to interpret the Constitution for the people of Pakistan.